In this video, I'm going to show you how to use text in Google Vids. So if you want to add captions, titles, or on-screen text to your videos, Google Vids makes it super easy. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So open Google Vids to open your project. And once you're in the dashboard, what you need to do is to click on text down here below captions. And once you click that, in here you have three options: add a title, add a subtitle, or you can add body text. So for example, I want to add a title, so just tap on it and a text box will appear. So center it, whatever you want it, and double click to change the title. And once done, you can change the color. First, highlight the text and click on the text color and choose your specific color. You can also change the font style, highlight, and choose your font style. So just like that, you can also change the font size. So decrease it, increase it, and just like that. So you can fill the color, you can make it bold or italic. And next, what you can also do is you can choose a template for headlines, speakers, phrases, calls to action. You have codes right here. So let me click on headlines, for example, and it will show you a bunch of templates in here. And if you want to use it, just click on it. For example, on this one, audience reaction, and it will be added directly to the screen. So you can edit the text by double tapping and add your text, just like that. So you can drag the text anywhere you like, just like that, make it smaller. And now your video includes clean, styled text that enhances your content. And that's basically it. That's how you can use text in Google Vids. Thanks for watching.